Lot number 156 is a 2004 Bluebird All-American 72 passenger school bus. This one turns over but does not start. It has 3 dead batteries in it. I installed one of our batteries in here. I got the jump box on it and I got it to turn over, but it's not starting. The engine appears to be complete. It's missing all the gauges and the panel from inside, so that may have something to do with it. But I'll hit it here so you can hear the engine. Oh wow, all the oil just spilled out of here. We just had a major oil spill. It's coming out from up here somewhere. All right, this one is a mechanic special. A lot of oil just came out of here. I'm gonna have to call a cleanup crew. All right, so it's being sold as is. It does not start. Motor turns over. It's leaking oil, a lot of it. Again, the engine appears to be complete. This one obviously needs to be towed out of here. No mechanical work will be permitted on site. The body looks straight. It comes with 3 dead batteries. It's got minor dents and scratches, a little scrape on the side. Let me show you the inside. A lot of mold on the steering wheel. It's missing the panel with all the gauges. It's got rust along the column. Seats inside look worn and look moldy. It's got 2 AC units. Working conditions are unknown. The true miles are unknown. Let me show you this side and wrap up this video. Here's the driver's side. It's got a dent on the emergency door. Other than that, it's very minor dings and dents all around. There's the dent. That rear tire looks flat. All right, so there you have it. Mechanical condition is unknown. It leaked out a lot of oil right now. It didn't start, turned over for a little while, did not start. All right, it's lot number 156. Good luck.